Yes, click on apply for production.
Okay.
And I have sent you three messages.
Yes.
You can copy paste on there.
All the three?
Yeah, first one is for no, one by one
Okay, okay.
without number. Yes.
Okay. Next.
Select on difficult or something like that you want. Any of
Difficult?
one. Yes.
Okay, okay.
That second one.
Okay. Okay.
And third one.
Will there be any issue if we use the same content like
No,
previously
there are
you'll be
no
using?
issues.
Okay. Click on next.
And you have to provide some text about according to your app.
Uh, who is intended audience to your app? Uh, enough, right?
Yes.
Describe how your app provides value to users. Yeah, enough.
Yes, enough.
Enough.
Okay.
Should we go for next? Oh, what changes did you make to your app based on what you learned during during your close test? What should I answer for this?
Okay, you can put like this. We have changed some minor thing that will not affect our main functionalities.
Minor features.
Yes.
How did you decide that the app is ready for production?
Okay, you can put like this. Yes.
Sorry?
Yeah, no problem. Continue.
That's all?
Okay, you can add something like that. The app has no prior issues. Everything is going well. That's why it's ready for production.
Yeah. That's all?
Yes.
Apply?
Yes. It takes few hours. I think it's take 2, 3, or 4 hours or something. Sometimes it take 7 days. We have to
Okay.
wait.
Okay. Okay, that's fine. So that's all.
Yes, that's
So
all
it'll
for now.
automatically it will automatically come onto the live, correct?
No, 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 no.
Ah,
You will get the email from Google.
okay,
Google say will congratulate you to publish the
okay,
app. Then you have to uh, update the app. You just go to close testing and promote to release. Yes, click on it.
okay, okay,
Close testing and manage track,
okay.
and you can see that promote release on the right.
Yes.
Then you can just click on production. Then it will goes to production. Then you can publish it.
Okay, okay. Got it.
Yes,
Got it.
but before that, on the production we have to select countries. Yes,
Okay,
here you will see the options. Select countries. Then after
okay,
select that, you can go close testing. Then promote to release. That's
okay.
it.
So only India is required, right?
uh, if your audience is only for India, then you can select India.
I'll do, or else I'll make it India, US, UK, and Australia.
Okay, no
Basic
problem. You can
countries.
select all the countries, no problem. It's
Okay,
related only your app.
okay, okay,
Yes,
okay. That's all for this.
yes, that's all for now. And let
Okay.
me know when it will
Yeah,
ready.
I'll let you know definitely. Like if at all any difficulties, I'll approach you
Sure,
once regarding
sure.
this. Yes.
Okay, brother.
So